How'd you feel when you were in that hotel with your son?
Oh my gosh, like a failure. I felt like a failure. I didn't want to be here, like, to be honest. With me by myself stressing like that, I don't know what would have happened. I don't know. So it was like he really gave me that drive to keep going. And I would look over and see my son and be like, I can't do him like that. So I need y'all to cross over. Don't be scared. We don't bite. We real friendly. We did our first $80,000 month. Like, literally. Never seen that kind of money. So there is extra pressure having my family work for me because I want to be that one out of my family that shows them that they can do it too. My mind has changed. The way I carry myself has changed. My community played a big part in my growth. Like, if I wouldn't have started that Facebook group before I even started Blanks Galore, I don't know where I would be.
The Combo, your home for conversations on Black entrepreneurship and wealth. Available on your favorite platforms.